Welcome, Shelly Saenz-Haro here, and it's time to put on our real estate hat. I'm gonna do that, and now our social butterfly, because we need to reach out and let people know about our service. I have an Etsy store that I want to invite you to go and take a look and see if this would meet your marketing needs as a realtor. I have this template here, Real Estate is My Jam, and it's this really cute way to reach out to your clients and let them know about your service. And also, I want to let you know I'll be happy to help a client of yours if you refer them to me, if they're moving to the DFW area, and we can set up the appropriate documentation so that you get your commission at closing. And you can contact me. My information will be here as well. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, let me punch a hole right here in the top middle. There we go. And now what we're going to do, let's get a bag here. Let me see. I think I have this one here. I'm just going to use right here. Okay, and I found this bag at Kroger. They sell like $75 for a really good price, and this confetti at Family Dollar. And this is just a small jar of, I thought it was really cute. It's a Smucker's Simply Fruit, and you can put it in here for the jam, to represent the jam. And also, let's see here, I'm gonna get some ribbon, and I have, let's see here, my tag, here it is. Okay. Now what we want to do is also put in the your business card, and I sell these tiny keys on my shop as well, and you can attach it and secure it in place. Put it in here, and we'll do a quick spin. Let's get this so we can put our bow in it. But also, if you have any questions about real estate or you need a realtor here in the DFW area, I'd be happy to help you as well. Reach out to me, my email, or message me, and we can be in communication. I can set up an appointment for you, and we can discuss your real estate needs. Alrighty, I'm almost done here. Okay, really cute. There we go. Alrighty, well, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.